Good afternoon, people! It's the 24th of December. So exciting. A lot going on. Just kidding. Walang ganap. No. Punta kami sa bahay ng mama ni Dan. And you know what? Sisi messaged the group and she asked how they're doing and what they're doing. Nothing. Merwin said it doesn't feel like Christmas. Because I'm not there.
They get lechon?
I don't know. I asked them to get lechon. Hopefully they got lechon.
I bet they did it because no one organizes it.
No, you will just tell the neighbor, hey, we want lechon, deliver it tomorrow. Mom will just say that and then they will deliver it to them. Yeah. Now, I hope they get lechon because I miss lechon already. Kaka-lechon ko lang kahapon.
Yesterday.
I know. I want lechon for Christmas, my love. It's like a tradition, my love.
We had it yesterday.
Yesterday wasn't Christmas. Okay, can I have my pizza, please?
I'll warm up for you.
Okay. Thank you. Nagluto si Dan ng pizza. Yun yung kinain niya. Hindi pa naman ako sobrang gutom, pero pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. What are we doing to your mom's again? Just help her with something?
I think you've got some fish.
Fish?
I don't know.
Okay. We need to buy light globes as well, babe. Because we have, do you know that we have like 3 dead ones here? And then 1 in the room?
Okay.
See, ilang beses tayo magpapalit nitong yellow lights mo. How many times did we replace these?
These aren't dead, there's something else. They're not dead, they're new light globes, there's something else wrong with it. It's not just a globe.
Yeah,
We'll buy some globes, but it's not globes.
What's wrong with it then?
We need to play with stuff that shouldn't be changed. Shit happens.
Ito yung ating pizza. Very exciting. Dito talaga ako sa counter nakaupo eh. Dito kami sa bahay ng mama ni Dan, guys. May tutulungan lang kami. Tutulungan daw namin siya. Hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung gagawin namin, pero we're here. Let's go inside, people. Oh my gosh, ang init. Ang init, ang init, ang init.
Archer, come in.
Bella? That's not yours.
Archer.
He's eating cheese. Tignan ito, guys. Very festive. Marshmallow, chocolate.
Alright, come on, Archer. Archie can be.
Hi, Arch.
Archie. Say, you gotta say Merry Christmas to the camera. And I'll give you, if you say Merry Christmas, I'll give you a Christmas present. Very cool one. You say Merry Christmas to the camera?
Do you like his beard, Arch?
You like my beard?
Is he Santa? Oh, nice. Can I have some? Just a little bit? Can I have a little bit? Thank you.
Poor me.
Let's play Jenga? Okay.
You know what? You have to take one of them. See?
Yeah, I know how to play it.
I'll help build it. I'll build quick, Archer, because I'm a really good builder.
Yeah. Look.
Rhazel's a bit slow.
No, look. See?
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, okay.
I have to put it on top of the other one.
Yeah, she has to put it on top. Raz, put it on top.
There you go. Do it properly.
Yeah, that's it, Arch. Good job.
Good job, Arch.
I know how.
So what happens to the loser? What do we do?
You just, if you don't get any,
guys match it up all nicely for him, you know, like.
and then you just,
And make sure he
when
doesn't
you
touch
knock
the
it
table.
down, then you don't get any points.
You get
Okay.
7 points.
Yeah.
7.
And then and the other challenge, you have to do another Jenga challenge. You have to do more points to get up to 10.
10?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, now we're going to try and get it straight.
Hey, Benny, we got these. You got these, haven't you?
Meron silang ano dito,
Yeah, we'll bring ours as well.
water, what do you call this, babe? Water, parang nagsusprinkle ng tubig ba para hindi masyadong mainit. I'm not sure if you guys can see.
I'm trying to get perfect, buddy. I'm a good builder.
Doon.
My
Hindi nyo
name
naman
is
kita ng
Romeo
maayos,
Builder.
pero yan.
Now you only get one.
Yeah,
You don't get.
it's just one.
Yeah.
You 10?
Oh, he likes the middle ones.
Another one.
Good job.
Another one?
Good job, Archie.
Uh-oh. I got one.
Oh, Raz.
Good.
Raz has been tricky.
Wait, I think it's...
Wow, he's so good. He's just like,
Yeah, we're going to teach it.
he's so good.
Oh, be careful, Arch. Don't
Yeah.
knock the table.
Art, to handle the table.
No, don't tell him off. He's fine, but you can't much to know. You're not teaching.
You like
I know what.
You know what you're doing, Arch.
Yeah.
I know you do.
Oh, good
Arch.
Good job.
That's a bit. You touched the table.
Okay, let's build it again. I'm playing with Uncle Danny. Who do you think
Yeah,
will win?
we've been there a few times. Ooh.
Heaps of food.
Yeah.
When you
I
get
think-
a banquet, you get
I'm
food.
smiling.
So, babe.
You having a shower? Good stuff?
Archer, who would win, me or Ray's?
I don't know. I think you.
I think so as well.
You think so?
Yeah, I think
Boys always win.
yeah.
Nah, not always, Oz.
Yeah, boys are way better. Not fair.
No.
Yes, they are.
Boys are way better.
That's right, Ash. You tell her.
Because I'm better than anyone.
Exactly right.
Are you?
You are.
Now I'm in trouble. You can't touch it while I'm still playing, Raz.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you're right. I think I'm gonna be in trouble. No. Uh-oh.
I think you're right. Use your nail to push it out.
No, because the weight is there. I can feel it!
Arch, I won. Arch, I won. Boys win.
Win!
Yes. Yes.
Babe, what's this, babe?
Salmon. Fat.
With cream cheese
With cream cheese.
and some vegetable. Or spices. Let's see. The prawns.
Oh wow.
Those are massive. Is that for us?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. That's a lot. Yeah. Oh, no. Oh, that's a lot of food.
There.
Thank you. Wow.
This is for you.
There you go.
For you.
What's that, Eva?
Ice.
Let me see. Ice? No, I'm good. Thanks. What time is it?
We'll say it's Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, people! Meron daw siyang gift sa akin.
That's not bad.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Your present first. This is from me to my wifey. Give me this.
What do you mean your present first?
This is for
I
you.
already gave you my present.
You didn't get me a present?
Whatever.
No, you're
You
mine.
got sunnies. What is this? Is it Louis Vuitton? Just kidding. Why is it a massive box? You wrapped it. Good job. What is it? Oh, card. Wifey, Merry Christmas from hubby. Is it on focus?
I don't know.
I can't see. So good. Dang, 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 dang. What is it? Does it say something on the box?
I have no idea. It's a box.
What is it? He said I didn't mention this before at all. So,
Nope.
what? Is it a bracelet? Feeling ko bracelet. What?
It's not nothing to it. Like it's not.
What did you get? What did you...
That's a bag.
It's a bag. What did you get? Ooh!
You have a bag.
What is this?
It's just a receipt and stuff. That's it.
Money!
No money. No money.
What is this? It's the holiday, char. Is it the keyring?
Not the keyring.
Card holder.
Just open the thing.
Oh my gosh, what is this? A jewelry? The keyring. Oh, it is the keyring.
Rose has been wanting this for the last year, and I said to her, wait until you get a car. Wait until you get a car.
Yeah.
But the car will have to come a little bit
No,
later.
where's the car?
The car is in the garage.
Hello guys, I have it.
Is that the one you wanted?
Yeah. I want this one and I want the gold one.
Gold one? No, you just get one.
So now.
No, just kidding, babe.
Yeah, it is the
Is that the right one?
6. Yeah, it is the 6 keyring. Oh my gosh. Charm. It's got the
Next year, the car.
Next Christmas. Oh, thank you.
Hopefully before then.
Thank you.
No, my love. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank
For the woman
you.
that's got everything, other than a car now. There we go.
Yes.
Put another bag in it. Nice little box.
Tang, da, da, da,
I knew I'd get something else. Everyone loves it. Thank you very much. That was a good hide as well.
Do you know you're getting something?
Oh, I thought you might because you always surprised me, but.
Yeah, no, I already got this before you got the sunnies. I'm quick, you know. I was really early.
Thank you.
Thank
It's a watch.
you.
It's a watch. I can tell.
I guessed it as well. I said Louis Vuitton, but I was joking. Thank you, babe.
Thank you, my love. Oh, it's a watch. Oh, it's a nice one. I like that one. Thank you, babe.
You don't have that yet.
I don't. I like it. It's nice.
It's.
Let's have a look.
Do you know what it is?
How do we do this?
It's. I think it's focused.
Now it is.
Yeah.
It's like a digital one?
It's a smartwatch. Yeah.
Ooh.
You don't have one yet.
How much? Oh my god.
What? Oh. Nah.
I hope nah. I hope you didn't spend that much.
It's okay.
Oh, babe. Thank you. Thank you, love.
Mwah.
Good.
It's good kasi hindi niya alam kasi I use my own ano. So when it comes to gifts, I have like you don't have access to my card. So that's the reason why you don't have access to one,
You
Mala.
need to keep within budget. That's very nice.
Do you like it?
I do. Why do you get it out?
Maybe take this one.
Yeah,
Ooh,
Oh,
a charger. So you can charge it.
It's very
You
nice.
can like read text there, I think. Yes, you can, my love. It's a smartwatch. You just gotta get it adjusted.
That is very nice.
Do you like it?
Yeah,
Oh, that's so fancy.
That is very fancy.
Yay.
That is a really good present, babe.
Do you like it?
Yeah, that's a really good present. I like
Yeah,
it.
I love mine as well. Thank you.
Wow, that is cool. Yeah, that's really nice. Where did you get it from?
Online
Oh,
from
wow.
fossil.com. So I got it
Wow.
from their website.
Wow.
Did I do
You
good?
did very well. You
Mwah.
did too, or you spoiled me. Thank you, babe.
It's okay.
Very nice of you.
When you said you wanted the sunnies for Christmas, I can't say no because I want to surprise you with this.
Yeah.
It's really nice, isn't
It
it?
is very nice.
Is it too heavy?
No. It's heavy enough. We'll get it adjusted, it'll be fine.
Yeah, looks like that, guys. And it's kind of like a smooth finish as well, the strap.
We might be able to get it adjusted on...
Boxing Day?
Yeah, maybe. Probably not though.
Yeah. Oh, thank you for this, babe. He said he would get me this kapag nagka-car na ako, but yeah. I just don't need a car at the moment.
You can put your car key in there, you can put your PO box key in there.
What do you mean car key? I don't have a car key.
Oh, your house key.
House key, yeah.
You can put
And PO
you can put
box.
the other car, the other
Yeah.
spare car key in there if you want.
Thank you.
So you get your own car
So
key
it was
holder.
on stock.
Yeah.
Yeah? Good job, my love. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yay! Merry
Merry
Christmas!
Thank you, babe.
Mwah. Love you.
Okay. Let's go. What's next?
Are we opening these? I was gonna wait until Boxing Day is finished so we open everything.
Okay.
Like what we got for Christmas.
Okay.
Yeah,
We can do that.
we can do that.
We can do that. Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mwah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Thank you, babe.
Nagdrama ako kanina kasi. Ano, but I'm good.
You good? Yes. Okay.
Oh,
Cool.
this is so nice. And they have the Louis Vuitton packaging as well. I mean, the holiday
They meant to
packaging.
write on the card, but they didn't write on the card.
I think that's the card then.
No, they did, but they left it blank.
Is it blank?
Yeah, so you got a little envelope.
No, maybe it's inside.
I checked.
Oh, did you? Oh.
They did meant to write it. They meant to say Merry Christmas, Rhazel.
Oh, did you?
I told them.
Oh, bloody hell. That's alright. You told me already.
I should call them up and complain and get a free bottle of champagne.
Shut up. Thank you. I love it.
I really like mine as well.
I didn't know it has a price. I didn't even see that. That's so tiny, babe. Like, where is it? Where's the price?
It must have been on the wrapping.
Ah.
There. Bloody hell, that's expensive.
No, it's not.
No, it is expensive. Yeah. Wow, that is really fancy.
And I don't like the Apple Watch because
Nah.
yeah, I know.
This looks good. I can wear that to work. It looks
Yeah,
good.
I know. This one looks really nice.
Yeah.
And
Awesome.
yeah.
Great present. You did it well. Thank you, babe. I love you. You're really good.
I love my present as well. Thank you.
That's okay. I feel a bit cheap now.
Why? It's not cheap.
I spent heaps on Christmas presents.
That's fine. That's fine.
A bit too much.
No. What do you mean?
No birthday present for me next year.
Oh, shut up. That's
And
a
the year
long
after.
time from now.
And the year after that.
It's fine.
Alright.
It's not even that much.
Cool. Alright, let's go to bed. Watch movies.
That's it. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year.
Maybe they will watch this close to New Year.
You have 400,000 subscribers.
Nah. Love you.
Thanks, babe.
Merry Christmas. No. Okay, bye.